ऑप्शंस का चार्ट जो आप बोल रहे हो,
पुट कॉल रेशियो है,
ये रेशियो, पुट कॉल रेशियो
कहाँ पर ज़्यादा पेन होता है, किस स्ट्राइक प्राइस पर ज़्यादा पेन है, कहाँ पर पेन नहीं है, वो इंडिकेट कर रहा है। पेन मीन्स उस प्राइस को ज़्यादा तक के दबा कर, रेजिस्टेंस जो बोलते हैं ना, जो अपोज करके रखें, उस प्राइस कहाँ पर कौन से प्राइस को किया वो बताओ।
एंड अभी जो पेन दिख रहा है 19700 पे, वो अगर पेन शिफ्ट होगा, थोड़ी देर पहले 750 पे था वो शिफ्ट हो रहा है, सो उसका हमारे स्क्रिप्ट पे कैसा कैसा इफेक्ट आएगा वो प्रेडिक्ट करना होता है। मतलब दैट इज द एक पॉइंट है।
ये यहाँ पर नीचे आ रहा है, यहाँ से मतलब एक दीवार बनाकर बैठा है, इसी तरह यहाँ पर दिखता है। अगर मान लो वहाँ से अगर लोग हट रहे होंगे तो उसको आगे जाने के लिए चांस देंगे, तो वही डेटा रीड करना है कि कब लोग कितने कहाँ से हटेंगे। अगर वो हटते हैं तो हम न्यू पोजीशन बनाकर उसके साथ आगे बढ़ सकते हैं।
थोड़ी देर पहले जो मैं 750 वाला पेन बोल रहा था वो ये पॉइंट पे था, और अभी वो पेन शिफ्ट हो गया तो वो दूसरा पॉइंट पकड़ा है उसने। थोड़ा टेक्निकल है। These are all the methods which we use to analyze data.
So your work is just analyzing the data.
Yes,
You
analyzing.
don't have constant customer connections or
नहीं, वो भी करते हैं। क्लाइंट के साथ भी हम लोग डील करते हैं। We also consult them.
It's like my sister has worked in ICICI Securities, so she like makes customer
Aware
do
of the
trading.
things.
So
हाँ.
you do the same thing.
Even we do for people. We do for our clients. We manage clients' fund.
So your clients are
HNIs.
common people or
HNIs and companies. Company के भी funds. HNI is high net worth individuals.
एक टाइम डिसीजन से क्योंकि कॉल मीटिंग था, सर आपको कुछ अटेंड प्रोसेस के बारे में बताएंगे। उसके बाद जो आर्यमन सर है ना, ये ऑपरेट्स दैट स्क्रम मास्टर इन आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, और अमित सर है जो डेवलपर है फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर। तो ये आपको पूरा इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे कि किस तरीके से एक्चुअली कंपनी में प्रोसेस करता है, वो किस तरीके से वर्किंग करता है। तो आर्यमन सर
पीपीटी ऑपरेट करायची का?
So, good morning, students.
good morning.
My name is Evan. I am a Scrum Master, come Project Manager also. So, basically, what is software development life cycle? I will just start on that. Okay. So, you are from completely computer background or any other electrical, mechanical, computer? Good, very good. So, you are much aware about the terminology, what we have in complete software development. You know what is software project. Software is nothing but the set of instructions which we give the customer to deliver the certain task, right? So we have the certain set of instructions so that it will deliver the output to the customer requirement. So it's just like your UG project, okay? You are in, suppose you are in final year student, right? Right now in which level is it? Final, very great. Now this is the initial phase. We start with the word initiation. So whenever the customer comes, hey Hemant, I need to do certain task. So this is the requirement. Who gives the requirement? Customer or client. Okay, and we are the service provider. So he tells us about his requirement. It may be web based, it may be desktop, it may be product based, it may be service based, it may be user based. Okay, so there are different n number of certain parts of the project. Okay, so first when we interact with the customer, we take the requirement, that is our initiation. Similarly, when you go to your project guide and you ask him, sir, we need a project. Suppose you are a service provider and your guide is a client. So he will say, yeah, you are the certain group of development people. I will assign you the task to allot some project. But here, what happens? Students go to the faculty, then we will do this project. That's it. Did it happen in practical? No. Requirement Customer is your faculty, your project guide. He will give the requirement, and you as the development team will work together and will provide the service according to his requirement. That's it. I'm replacing the analogy. Analogy means you need to say. You can understand analogy. हिंदी, मराठी, इंग्लिश कसंही बोलू शकतो मी. फक्त कम्युनिकेशन व्हायला पाहिजे. काय पाहिजे तुम्हाला सांगा. इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मराठी. पण इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये नेहमी आपण इंग्लिश बोलतो. इथे कॉमन लँग्वेज आहे फक्त एकच इंग्लिश. So definitely try to speak in English, talk in English, dance in English, think in English, everything in English. Until you try in English, you can't understand the terminology. So just I will start with the software development life cycle. Just go to the next slide, please. Yeah. So what we have, we as a company, T-Gas Technologies and Software Private Limited, we provide the business application development, service-based products, then maintenance also. So what happens here? We have the two approach, waterfall approach and agile approach. Agile means the name is फुर्तीला, फटाफट डिसीजन लेके उसको डिलीवर करने वाला. बहुत डिमांडिंग और प्रोसेस चल रहा है. व्हाट इज दैट? अजाइल प्रोसेस. और पहला जो पुराना चल रहा था वो कौन सा है? वाटरफॉल. वाटरफॉल यानी क्या? दिमाग में सोचो आप थोड़ी देर के लिए. वाटरफॉल कैसे होता है? वाटरफॉल कैसे होता है? वाटरफॉल फॉल. It is nothing but step by step. Okay. And agile is nothing but, I will let you know what it is. Just we will get to the waterfall. Waterfall is nothing but a step-by-step approach. That is nothing but also known as sequential approach. What I say? Sequential or step-by-step. Okay. If you are going to the downstairs of the bigger step, you will follow the first step, then let on second step, then let on third step. Will you jump from first step to last step? No. It will crash the project. Okay. Same like that. Earlier in history, what will happen in waterfall project? We follow the sequential phases. Until unless we follow that sequential phases, we would not deliver the project to the customer. So go to the next slide. Yeah, just an overview. What is the waterfall model and what is agile model? Agile is nothing but methodology. Agile is nothing but model. Agile is nothing but approach. This is nothing but the following the processes. And waterfall is the same. Waterfall is a methodology. Waterfall is an approach. Waterfall is a model. Certain terms of word are different, but the meaning is same. That's it. Okay. Just keep in mind waterfall and agile. What is the past history? What we followed in this previous year and what we are following in the next upcoming year. Okay. Do you believe on the change? Just tell me before that. Change. What do you mean by change? Tell me about that. Change. What do you mean by change? Change यानी क्या? बदलाव. जरूरी है? बहुत जरूरी है? क्यों जरूरी है? क्यों जरूरी है बताओ? Question for improvement. थोड़ा और सोचो. इंटरेक्टिव बनो. जितना इंटरेक्टिव होगे उतने दिमाग के आपके सेल्स है वो ओपन होंगे. लॉजिक स्ट्रेट होंगे. यस. कोडेक यू नो. चलो और थोड़ा अंदर जाओ. नोकिया यू नो. हाँ चलो अभी लॉजिक आ गया. क्या बोला मैंने? चेंज लाना जरूरी है. तो अभी मैंने आपको हिंट दे दिया. नोकिया. बाय. यस. Change in requirement is the customer demanding. Customer क्या बोलता है? मुझे तुरंत ये change चाहिए. तो आप क्या बोलोगे? No sir, that is not worthy. Just to follow the waterfall process, earlier process itself. Is it like that? You will say? No, never. You need to accept the change. Same thing in your UG life, in your development life, in your professional life. You need to upgrade. You need to make change in yourself. Same like that is the SDLC, software development life cycle. If you want to deserve, if you want to get into the industry, if you want to sustain there for a long time, then you need to have the change in your thinking process. Every day, every month, the technology is growing on, and if technology is going on, changing. Every month, technology will learn that. You have to learn.